Hey, I got my engine case back from the machine shop from being clean. I went over it once, with the wire wheel and surfaces clean and whatnot. Also did work on getting the where is it at? Oh, the oil gallery plug out of here. I have it in the bag right here. This oil pressure plug. Um, I got it out. I was using a clothes hanger. I cut a clothes hanger and I put it inside inside the cavity. And I worked it down, and I used a screwdriver to push it down and push that plug out, that pressure check wall. That's what I use. I don't know if anybody else used something else, but clothes hanger worked pretty good. So I got it out, cleaned it up. I ordered a no oil pump for this, even though I don't think I need it, but just to be on the safe side, I ordered a new one. I got the crank kit, but the crank kit didn't. This one is for 2005 and up for a Polaris 700 motor. I got an O2 case here. The kit didn't come with the bearing for this, for the crankshaft right here. It didn't come for the bearings. Didn't come in for the crankshaft balancer. So I had to order those, and it didn't come with the Woodruff key, which I still have the old one right here. And of course, I bought a new oil pickup screen right here. And make sure you had the O-ring that goes right here. There's an O-ring that goes in there. Other than that, the kit has, I guess, most of the seals I'm gonna need. Does have the valve guide seals. The cylinder head gasket, the case gasket, and some of these seals right here. I believe is for one of them is for the oil pickup tube. Slowly but surely, getting it back together. With this kit, it doesn't come with the crankshaft bearing, or it goes right here. It doesn't come with the bearings for the counter shaft balancer. It only comes with these two bearings. So if your motor has these bearings right here, for the counter shaft balance shaft, it's not gonna come with it. You're gonna have to order this separately. And then once you get it in, you're gonna also want to check if your counterbalance is interfering with this crankshaft. If it's interfering, you have to shave down the counterbalance shaft to make it fit, so none of these parts hit. Quick note: I'm doing this build with a 2002 Polaris 700 motor. So the kit calls for 2005 and up, but it doesn't come with the bearings and whatnot for 2002. Also, you want to keep in mind that it doesn't come with another Woodruff key, and it doesn't come with the oil pickup screen. You gotta buy one of these new separately, and make sure you clean your cradle oil baffle tray. Just so you know, when you get your package for your rebook it, they put the piston rings on the bottom, taped to the styrofoam. I'm gonna check and see if anything is broken, but yeah, I don't think it's a good package deal. Just got done checking my rings. They look pretty good. They're okay. Yeah, but with them taped down in the bottom here, I don't agree with it. They should be in boxes, packed with other stuff. Not down here, because the way they handle packages through Amazon or UPS, whatever, they kind of get beat up. The box is already beat up a little bit. You can see, right? It's not always the best to package the stuff up. You just see styrofoam broke because of the moving and the constant process of moving packages around. Causes people to not really care about how they ship or handle your packages. Also, you can see the imprint on the um, piston rings on the styrofoam here of how much they stack and move this packages around. So I don't know what these are from. Oh, these are from the stupid. Oh, okay, these are from the valve hat seal. So hopefully these are good and they get damaged because of how they were handled through the mail and packaging and all that. So yeah, so those, as you can see, they do take a little bit of pressure, and they're quite sometimes. Some of these parts are kind of delicate, so hopefully everything goes together well with this package. I mean, with this rebuild kit. I kind of opened up my oil pickup tube um, where the hole is at. It was smaller, and cut out the piece that little bit bigger. So has a little bit more oil to pull instead of a smaller hole. But I use my razor blade, heat it up on my little let's see here, butane torch. Went in there and cut a square out and then broke it out. And now I got done kind of deburring the edges here as much as I could. Looks pretty good so far, but that's just me. This is my friend's rebuild kit for his 700 Ranger, 6x6. Yeah, 6x6. He ordered his from eBay, and that came in a better packaging deal than mine. Let's go see here. There it is. I actually have two cardboards holding the piston rings together in place. Some more gaskets. And his has the cylinder head on this side. And on this side it has the crankshaft assembly. So yeah. Pretty cool. As well as this package, I didn't see no bearings in here for the crank or the counterbalance. So just be wary that you may get the gasket kit, but you don't have the bearing kit for it. You're gonna need the bearings for the counter shaft balancer and the crankshaft itself. Crankshaft has a bearing on one side, and then a roller bearing on one side, and then the other side has a actual bearing, a two-piece bearing you got to put in.